Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to discuss about what are difficulty faced by Indian in learning English language. Because friend क्या होता है at a beginning stage of English speaking, most of student को लगता है कि English बोलना बहुत ही difficult है, but actual में friend English बोलना उतना difficult नहीं है. तो क्यों लगता है English बोलना difficult वो हम आज के वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. Then please friend watch the video till the end. It will be beneficial for you to improve your English communication. First point friend, we don't have English environment. Because friend, we know very well our parents can't speak English. That's why we can't speak English. Our parents can't speak our mother tongue. That's why we can speak our mother tongue. Even also our some friend don't familiar with the English. That's why we don't have any English environment. But friend, we can find solution on these things, because nowadays everyone have a smartphone, and through smartphone there is a number of sources to make a English environment. Because friend, on mobile we can speak English with a stranger through our mobile. There is a number of apps is available in Play Store. Even also on YouTube, you can listen podcast, you can watch some English movie. It will be helpful to improve your communication skill, and like that you can make English environment around you. And second drawback, that is limited vocabulary. Everyone don't know too much English vocabulary. Even also what happen, we don't think in English. Means those things around us, those objects around us, we don't think in English. We don't know about that object, what is the English meaning of that object. But friend, you should try to improve your English vocabulary. Those objects around you, you should try to find English meaning of that object, and through that you can improve your English common some vocabulary, and it will be helpful for at the starting phase to speak English. That's why you should also concentrate toward your vocabulary. And third point, that is friend, grammar issue. Because what happens, those students want to improve their English speaking. At a starting point they think about English grammar. They think after reading grammar, after understanding grammar, he will able to speak English, and he start to consume a lot of time to read a grammar book. But friend, I want to suggest you, don't read any grammar book. Try to speak out. Don't worry about the people. At a starting phase you will make a mistake. Don't worry about people, they will laugh on you. Because what happens, more you will speak, that much you will improve your mistakes. Only you need some basic grammar. On that basis you can start to speak English. That's why don't worry about the grammar. Try to speak only. Automatically your fluency will be improved. And last point, that is a friend, lost in translation. Because what happened at the starting phase, those students try to speak, they translate some or mother tongue sentences in a English language as the same it is. But English language have a different structure to make a sentence. That's why at the starting phase you should try to read some tenses, and on the basis you should make a sentence. At the starting point it will take time, but 100% once you understand, it will be helpful for you to improve your English speaking. And these are some points you should work on it, and 100% you will able to speak English, and never you will hesitate about anything if you will comment on these things. And friend, if you like this video, please try to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, because same type of video notification you will get. And friend, see you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.